Hello, 你好, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese style hot pot. Hot pot is also called 火锅 in Mandarin Chinese, and it literally translates into fire pot. It is usually eaten on the tabletop with a pot of soup stock, and then you add it with sliced meat, seafood, vegetables, tofu, and processed food. So it's a great option for family gathering as well as parties. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the soup stock as well as the dipping sauce for the hot pot. But make sure to check the next video, which I'll show you other ingredients that you can also add it to the hot pot. So let's get started. Here is the overview of the ingredients you'll need to make the chicken broth for your hot pot. In this video, I'll use 16 cups of water with these ingredients. You can adjust the ingredients ratio depending on how many cups of water you use. Remember to wash all of your veggie ingredients before cutting them. Next, we have the condiments for the dipping sauce. You can mix the sauce based on your liking. At the end of this video, I'll show you how I make mine. Cut the celery, carrot, tomato, corn, daikon, and onion into big pieces. With the cabbage, you can tear the leaves with your hand. These vegetables are added to enhance the flavor of your soup stock. Therefore, you want to keep them in relatively large pieces so it will be easier to take them out later. Cut 2 slices of ginger. Cut the chicken bones into large pieces. First, parboil the chicken bones with 2 slices of ginger for about 3 minutes. To make the soup stock, bring 16 cups of water to boil on high heat. Add chicken bones, corn, daikon, carrot, onion, celery, tomatoes, cabbage, and bean sprouts. Give your soup stock some good stirs. Bring everything to a boil, then turn the heat to medium-low and cover your pot. Cook for 30 minutes. While waiting for the soup stock to cook, we can prepare the condiments for dipping sauce. Chop green onion and cilantro. Then dice garlic and ginger. My favorite sauce to use with hot pot is the Bullhead BBQ Sauce. It has a savory and slightly spicy taste. When you open the can, there will be a layer of oil on the top. Make sure you give it a good stir before using. To make the dipping sauce, I usually add about 5 tablespoons of the Bullhead BBQ sauce into a bowl first. Then I add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and some garlic, ginger, green onion, and cilantro, then give it a good stir. You can also add sesame oil, chili oil, and raw egg to your sauce. When your soup stock is done, transfer the broth into a tabletop pot before serving. Here I use the electric hot pot skillet. In the second part of our hot pot series, I'll show you different tabletop pots and equipment you'll use to serve hot pot. Ta-da! So here is my Taiwanese hot pot setup. How do you start? I usually start out with the root vegetables and processed food, as well as soybean products like tofu and then fried tofu, bean curd, and then you can leave the sliced meat as well as the seafood and mushrooms later, and then you cook as you eat. And then at last you can always complete with some noodles or rice. I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make the Taiwanese style hot pot today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching and happy eating. I will need some friends to help me out with this, so let me call them up and come and eat this.